So based on the previous slide, we can identify how the skills are very important for the companies, and also there are even some consultant international consultancy firms that have prepared models that include this strategy in order to incorporate the visualization of the skills as as an important part of the company, in order not just to have the description of the jobs as we used to have them in the past, but also to consider how to have this visualization, this new way to describe how the different tasks, jobs, outcomes, and problems to be solved can be related to skills that are core for the institution or the company. In this case, hard skills, human capabilities, adjacent skills, and other different emerging skills that are going to be necessary in the future for the company. And with this skills hub, how they can improve the governance of the company, and also prepare some scenarios for the future, especially those that can allow the company to be more strategic, not just in terms of attracting the talent, but also considering how to develop the skill sets of the different workers that are part of the company. Also, how these skills can help the managers and also the workers, and also the CEOs to make better decisions for innovative procedures or innovative products, but also how to best solve the different problems that the company needs to face on a daily basis, or from time to time, depending on the niche where they are specialized. So here we can see a different panorama of the areas where the decisions that need to be made and skills are relevant, are having an increasing importance. Also, it is necessary to be aware of how transitions and search for new equilibrium points are of a high importance nowadays. In this case, as we mentioned it, in this model described by or proposed by Deloitte, we can observe how the transition towards organizations that have these traditional jobs very well identified need to be improved by incorporating, or by having an inventory of functions based on skills and also labor competencies, in order to have a better combination of the value of the organization. This scheme must be added to the need for a continuous updating system of competencies and knowledge. And this type of systems or are not very well used in most of the companies, because the learning process as part of a continuous strategy was not seen as important as it is now. And this is because of all this is transforming and new technologies having an influence on the not just on the companies and the work environment, but also in the way that in the way universities and also the society, I mean the market is evolving and is having the influence on all of these changes, but also technologies that are being used by the different actors of the world. I mean, especially in the business area, but not just in the business area. Also, like I said, in the education arena. So as having a system that then allow us to have all these knowledges and also skills is important in order to be more strategic in terms of uh, recruiting people in the areas that we need, but also in terms of identifying how to better help our workforce to update their own skills, or to even change those skills to be able to develop the new activities that are needed in order to adapt to the market and to the new activities that the customers are needing. In this situation, education and work have always been closely associated, but now both of them are aspects that are more necessary within the company. No, I mean, education is no longer only a problem or an aspect that has to be with universities or with other companies or training companies, but also is something that the company, the managers need to manage in a better way in order to keep their companies competitive